brought us joy like the morning sun. Wilfred and Steffi hold you tight. In their arms everything feels right. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. With eyes so bright and a heart so pure, you're our little miracle, that's for sure. Grandma Nirmala sings you a sweet song. Grandpa Prabha will guide you along. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. Aunts and uncles, cousins too, all send their love just for you. From near and far, they celebrate your life, your love, your blessed faith. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. May you grow strong, wise and kind, with love and laughter intertwined. In this family you'll always belong. In our hearts you'll find your song. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. Wilfred and Steffi, your guiding lights, will show you the way both day and night. With every step and every smile, their love will make your life worthwhile. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. Aunts and uncles, cousins too, all send their love just for you. From near and far, they celebrate your life, your love, your blessed faith. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself are merry, proud and true. This family's love will carry you through. So here's to you, little one so sweet. With love and blessings your life's complete. In Wilfred and Steffi's warm embrace, you'll always find your happy place. Blessings from above for you are dear. Nirmala and Prabha both are near. Diavi himself a merry.
Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.